Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Smith-Morra gambit. Why not? It's one of my favourites. I can try the F4 system. I know it was busted brutally by someone recently, but oh no, he's not playing that D5 gambit. He's not, is he? Uh-oh, this looks bad. Oh, this looks bad already. Yes, that D5 is there's D4 here, isn't there? He didn't do it. Oh man, D5 is scary. This whole setup is scary considering my last disaster where someone played in a similar way. But no, I think this is different now. I've even got a Greek gift possibility. I've got away with F4. It's very, very dodgy, this setup theoretically. It seems if black, yeah, he's done quite well with this setup, I think. But maybe there's a Greek gift potentially here in the offering. I can offer the Greek gift. I wonder about here. I'm going to try it. In fact, there's knight takes d4 and queen d3. Hasn't done that. Okay, so I'm not losing material or anything. It seems pretty sweet. I got away with it, but let's have a look at d4. That was a quick game. I think d4 was good. I would have to have played a3. Maybe it's time to ditch this thing, this f4 business. The engine says minus 0.22 already with the move e6, which he plays. And then, okay, bishop b4 is good, and he's got a small advantage here. d5 small advantage. And now, yeah, I was worried about d4. Yes, I think that might be actually a big advantage potentially if I have to play like this. Now if he takes here, maybe that's not entirely terrible. Let's have a look at this again. But if he takes here, I might be in trouble. This is why I shouldn't really play this opening. Even in 5-minute chess, if you get a really bad disadvantage, it's not good, is it? It's not a good start.
Check.
So yes, he's let me play the dreaded Greek gift, and it's actually the top engine move.
Check.
Yes, I took here. I thought that was okay. Now apparently stronger. I don't know why this is on first glance, to be honest. Why would queen d3 be stronger? So the knight goes back, knight g5. Ah! Queen sneakily goes there. Mate in 3, 5, 4. Mate in 4 forced. Whoa! Cute one. So if takes here, there's the check. And then mate. Wow.
Checkmate.
So queen d3, strongest move. Who would have thought? I mean, seriously, who would have thought that? Queen d3. If knight takes, rook takes, rook h3. And if here, f5 breaks through. Knight takes, g4. Yeah. Yeah. Well, the engine's all saying anyway. Especially on a nice 7. This is a nice 7. So this was okay. So this was a disaster. Bishop takes. It's a total disaster. This is +5. It doesn't look too healthy. Yeah, if he plays g6.
Check.
I've got the mate's next move.
Checkmate.
Alright, a short and sweet one there. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube, but I think I shouldn't be playing this system. It's a bad addiction to play this terrible opening. Thanks very much.